In today's video, we're going to look at some of the problems in using the insert text box feature from within Microsoft Word. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. This document has a random text box that I inserted that can be moved around throughout the content. If we go to check the accessibility checker of this document, it wants us to place it in line or to mark it as decorative. Let's go ahead and place it in line and let's just see what happens. So I'm going to now launch JAWS, and our goal is to get to the text box area. Let's open up our list of headings and we'll find About Sean Jordison and then navigate from there.
Microsoft Word doc.
So we have About Sean Jordison. Let's hit enter.
Enter. Heading level 2 About Sean Jordison. Courses and training materials. The heading level 2 About Sean Jordison. Courses and my expertise span. Courses heading B. Courses and training with 1.00 inch. Undo.
So it's actually jumping me directly to the bottom underneath my image over here. Let's see if we can move our cursor to before thank you.
Page 3. Thank you for text box 2 decorative image graphic.
All right, so we found the object and it doesn't read what's inside the text box.
Heading left text box 2 decorative image graphic.
So it's marked as decorative and it says graphic.
Heading text box 2 decorative image graphic.
So that's one of the issues with using a text box. JAWS doesn't read it at all. Let's go ahead and open up NVDA and see if we can get it to read that way. All right, so I have NVDA launched and I'm gonna navigate around and try to get into the text box.
Courses and training material. Heading level 2 About Sean Your Courses B. Heading level 2 / thank document thank you for heading level courses and training my expertise pay out heading level 2 About Sean Your Dyson line feed courses heading level 2 About Sean Your Dyson.
Interesting. So it's not letting me navigate to the text box.
Courses
and I have to use my cursor
/ T H T /
So the text box is not recognized at all by NVDA either. So these are some of the downsides to using a text box. They are not read by a screen reader. Additionally, if we were to convert this over to PDF, the content inside of this is not going to be tagged either. So I always like to say avoid text boxes at all costs, and what you're seeing here is part of the reason why. With that said, I'm going to delete this text box out. If you want to find other cool accessibility features for Microsoft Word, you can check out my brand new community, which offers detailed guided support on how to make your Word documents accessible to WCAG and Section 508 standards. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.